Your smile brightens my day.
Your smile brightens my day.
You have great problem-solving skills.
You have great problem-solving skills.
What would you like to talk about?
What would you like to talk about?
You are a joy to be around.
You are a joy to be around.
I appreciate your help with that.
I appreciate your help with that.
Your laughter is contagious.
Your laughter is contagious.
Let's go on an adventure.
Let's go on an adventure.
You are so brave.
You are so brave.
What made you feel happy today?
What made you feel happy today?
You have such a creative mind.
You have such a creative mind.
Let's work through this together.
Let's work through this together.
You did a wonderful job listening.
You did a wonderful job listening.
I love your sense of humor.
I love your sense of humor.
You make our family complete.
You make our family complete.
Let's make a list of things we enjoy.
Let's make a list of things we enjoy.
You're very good at explaining things.
You're very good at explaining things.
I'm grateful to have you in my life.
I'm grateful to have you in my life.
What's something new you learned today?
What's something new you learned today?
You have such a big heart.
You have such a big heart.
Let's create something beautiful together.
Let's create something beautiful together.
You are a great helper.
You are a great helper.
I love your enthusiasm for life.
I love your enthusiasm for life.
What are you most excited about right now?
What are you most excited about right now?
You handle challenges with grace.
You handle challenges with grace.
I admire your determination.
I admire your determination.
You have a wonderful imagination.
You have a wonderful imagination.
Let's spend some time just being together.
Let's spend some time just being together.
What are your dreams and goals?
What are your dreams and goals?
You are a blessing to our family.
You are a blessing to our family.
Let's plan a fun day out.
Let's plan a fun day out.
Your kindness makes a big difference.
Your kindness makes a big difference.
I love hearing your ideas.
I love hearing your ideas.
You have a special talent for this.
You have a special talent for this.
Let's have a cozy movie night.
Let's have a cozy movie night.
You are stronger than you think.
You are stronger than you think.
What's something fun we can do together?
What's something fun we can do together?
Your hard work really paid off.
Your hard work really paid off.
I love how you care for others.
I love how you care for others.
Let's make a craft project together.
Let's make a craft project together.
You bring so much joy to my life.
You bring so much joy to my life.
Let's learn something new together.
Let's learn something new together.
You are very special to me.
You are very special to me.
I enjoy spending time with you.
I enjoy spending time with you.
You are capable of amazing things.
You are capable of amazing things.
I'm so lucky to be your parent.
I'm so lucky to be your parent.
Let's explore new things together.
Let's explore new things together.
How did you come up with that idea?
How did you come up with that idea?
You make every day brighter.
You make every day brighter.
It's wonderful to watch you grow.
It's wonderful to watch you grow.
Let's take a walk and talk.
Let's take a walk and talk.
What was something fun you did today?
What was something fun you did today?
I admire your enthusiasm.
I admire your enthusiasm.
You handled that very maturely.
You handled that very maturely.
Let's build something together.
Let's build something together.
You have a kind heart.
You have a kind heart.
I'm always here to cheer you on.
I'm always here to cheer you on.
Let's solve this puzzle together.
Let's solve this puzzle together.
What made you smile today?
What made you smile today?
I appreciate your honesty.
I appreciate your honesty.
You are so thoughtful and caring.
You are so thoughtful and caring.
What would you like to learn about?
What would you like to learn about?
You did a fantastic job sharing.
You did a fantastic job sharing.
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you.
Your curiosity is inspiring.
Your curiosity is inspiring.
Let's cook something special together.
Let's cook something special together.
You are a wonderful friend to others.
You are a wonderful friend to others.
I'm proud of your hard work.
I'm proud of your hard work.
What new adventure should we plan?
What new adventure should we plan?
You have such a bright future ahead.
You have such a bright future ahead.
Let's draw or paint something together.
Let's draw or paint something together.
You bring so much happiness into our home.
You bring so much happiness into our home.
I believe in you no matter what.
I believe in you no matter what.
Let's set some goals together.
Let's set some goals together.
You inspire me every day.
You inspire me every day.
Let's try a new activity together.
Let's try a new activity together.